Good evening. Just overall assessment of this season for Playing Draft from your perspective.
We're happy with what we got on the draft. Masaya kami. Inabutan pa namin si Kaylan Thompson. Akala namin he would be drafted earlier. Although we had our contingencies already, may mga may mga scenarios din kami. So we're happy we got him at number 7. We're happy we got Felix Lementi at number 8. And then si Francis Escandor at 13. Nasa ano rin namin yun, no? Nasa plano din si Mike Malonzo. Sino pa ba? But basically, no, yung mga gusto naming makuha, nakuha naman. So, we're excited to have them in practice and to try and blend them with the team. Of course, hindi namin kayang i-absorb lahat yun. No? They will have to fight for their slots. We only have 2 or 3 slots vacant in our team. So yun ang paglalabanan nila. With Kaylan, we have another leader in our team. We're expecting him to be a leader since he's been a veteran for some years playing around the world. We know his abilities. We know he's someone who can score, who can defend. We know also that he's got leadership qualities. Those will be useful for a young team like ours. Tapos si ano naman, si Felix Lementi. We felt that he had potential. No? Noong nakita namin siya sa practice namin, sabi namin baka pwede itong magamit sa team. He's a true point guard, solid point guard. He can score and at the same time he can command, no, yung ano niya, no, yung team niya. So we're looking for somebody like that. Although meron kaming mga point guards na talagang ano naman have learned, no, yung how to play our system and how to develop skills which we require, no, in playing our system. Andyan siyempre si Andre, nandyan si Anton, si Adrian Nocum. I think pag pumasok si Felix, we can move him to the 2 spot, no? So para hindi masyadong masikip yung point guard, so we can still give them their playing time and their minutes. So okay kami, masaya kami dun sa nakuha namin. Sabi ko rin, dalawa yung first round pick namin. Of course, si Kaylan is a solid pick. And yung number 8 namin, our second pick in the first round, we felt we can take chances. No? Pwedeng sugalan. No? Kasi lahat naman sila, tag-isa lang pinili nila sa first round. Kami, dalawa. No? So yung isang pick namin, we will take our chances based on what we saw in practice. Also, looking at his credentials, he was starting for a Division I school. Starters at Division I school. So, you cannot go wrong with that. Okay. Thank you. Sige.